you tired of choosing between being a provider or being a present parent? Are you tired of the low and negative low balance in your bank account? Are you tired of choosing between paying your bills or buying food? If yes, the Legacy Builder Program review is for you. Right. So quickly, I will turn my camera around and I will share my screen with you. Very good. So I already did the part one. So if you didn't watch the part one, you can still watch it and come back to the part two. All right. So or you can watch this one and and go back for the part one. All right. So quickly, the Legacy Builder evolved to become the Legacy Builder 2.0. Right. So uh, quickly here, so basically you will learn all the skills you need to build your online business, right? You earn 100% profits, right? So it's not like in affiliate marketing, for example, where you are getting a percentage of the sales, right? So when you buy the resale rights, so basically you earn 100% of profit, right? So no need of sharing your earnings, right? So whether you are a busy parent, burnout professionals, you are doing network marketing, you are a 9 to 5 worker, you can still find time, right? Because my mentor basically finds a medium between all those programs over here, network marketing, affiliate marketing, and she come up with a 2-hour workday process, right? When you master it, you can be able to make income online, and you will be your own CEO, right? So those are all testimonies, guys. So by the way, every once a while we do free webinars, right? So where we invite people to come and watch and see uh, what the Legacy Builder has to offer, right? The digital community growth. So if it's something that will interest you, drop webinar, in the comments so that I can see people who are interested to come and watch the webinar, right? So, and last time we were exactly here when with the Legacy Builder program, basically you will have 4 income streams, right? So you have the launchpad, which is at $100, like I have highlighted that before. The passive daily blueprint, which is at 300. The digital mastery at 600, sorry. And our main selling program here, which is the Legacy Builder program, and it's at $900 at the time when I'm recording this video. So which is awesome. Basically you will get 4 income streams. Alright, so yeah, you don't need any experience to get started, right? So it's perfect for beginners. So you learn high income skills activities, like for example attraction marketing. Those are skills that are not taught in school, right? So attraction marketing means you don't have to chase your customer to buy from you. They will come to you because you have something that they need so badly. So the technique, the science, right? The science, the science that basically the science you learn in order to attract the customers to you is called attraction marketing, and it's something that you will learn, right? So the training is already there. You just plug in and start learning, and it's interactive, right? You will see your mentor. You'll see Michelle. Michelle is our mentor, n'est-ce pas? You will see her and you will ask her questions, right? Which is awesome, right? So we are more than 50,000 members inside our community, and I hope to have enough time, to show you basically inside the community. All right, so we are more than 50,000, right? So, and in the legacy builder program 2.0, yeah, so right now you can be certified, right? You can be certified. So meaning you'll get a certification. We have inside the program a certification training that you can go, and you get certified, right? So you have your certification, which is nice, right? So yeah, so yeah, you keep all your earnings, so no need of sharing, right? So I used to do yeah, I'm still doing affiliate marketing, but let's say in affiliate marketing, you have a tiny share of the earnings, right? So let's assume that you are promoting a product which is at $900, right? And once you refer that product, you have a sale, right? So basically, let's assume that you have it's only 25%. So 25% of $900 is $225. That's the amount of money you will get, right? But if you are your own boss, you are doing digital marketing, you own the legacy builder, so you get $900 directly. And in affiliate marketing, you have to do 4 times the work in order to get the same money. So that's what I like about digital marketing. It's advanced affiliate marketing in terms of commission. Yeah, so by the way, the link is in the description. You can see my link and click on it, and you will end up over here. Yeah, and this guy is me. Right? So I'm a dad of 3, right? So actually I read a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad, and that's how my journey started, right? Because I realized that yeah, I don't know about you, but no one wants to live until 65, and no change. You know what I mean, right? Because once you retired, the cost of living will be high, and you'll still be broke. Yeah. So so that's why building your business while you still have the security of 9 to 5 is the best way to go about this, right? So you don't have to have any product to get started, because you'll buy the resale rights. You don't have to have tech skills. Will give you everything you need, right? So you will have testimonies that you can go, of course. So there is something I like about the program as well. It's the clarity, right? So it's not a get rich quick program, guys, right? So once you buy the program, I will be here to help you. That's for sure. But you need to plug in. You need to plug into the training, master the fundamentals. It's not a get rich quick program, right? You need to take action, implement, be coachable, right? So that's the way to go, right? And let's see here. This is basically the courses, everything are here, all the programs. So by the way, yeah, I'm certified, guys. I'm certified, which is awesome here. So this is my certification program. I complete that program. So you have the 4 income streams that are here, the Launchpad, the Passive Daily, the Digital Mastery, they're all here, right? And this is the Legacy Builder program, guys. This is a beast. Oh boy, yeah. This is a beast, guys, right? So I have completed 74 classes so far, and each day they keep adding, right? They keep adding because it's interactive. So you keep learning. It's continuous improvement. Yeah, guys. So those skills are stuff that you don't learn at school, right? You don't learn those stuff at school, right? So that's why once you learn marketing, it's tough to be broke once you learn that. So, and the Legacy Builder program will give you everything you need to succeed, right? Okay, and now I will show you my community over here. So yes, it's Father's Day today. Happy Father's Day, guys. To all incredible dads. Yeah, moms are amazing as well, of course. Okay, guys, so this is our community over here, and I will show you the wins, right? Which is good. By the way, before the wins, we are over 50,000 members, guys. Look at that. 50,000 members who are learning the skills, right? To be able, to earn online, right? So, yeah, and each baby step that you took will lead you to success. So that's the right mindset to have, right? So we have here you to win. So having a win doesn't necessarily means money. Any step that you take in order to grow in your online business is a win. Whether it's views or lead, right? It's amazing, right? So we have here $900 Windy, right? 600 here. She's certified over here. Let's see. We have here first 900 TikTok views. Let's see here. Okay, let's see 900. Okay, so basically, guys, all those wins are based on people effort. So they put the time necessary, to get the result, since it's not a get rich quick program, right? And I would like to show you something, right? So guys, if you don't believe to a get rich quick program, as I don't believe myself, which I don't believe to get rich quick program, yeah, put yes in the comments, so we are all on the same page. I don't believe any program you need to be coachable, you need to plug in, you need to learn the skills, and you need to learn everything. So guys, our program is international. It's everywhere around the world, from Africa to US, Canada, you know, Brazil. We are everywhere, Australia, everywhere, guys, everywhere. You see, so which is very awesome. So on this excellent note, if you have any questions that you wish to ask me, put them in the comments, so and I will go over them for sure. Okay guys, until next time, see you in the next video.